What are those seagulls doing, Paulina? She doesn't know what that is.
Whoa!
Oh my! Oh my, Paulina! What are they doing? Oh my! Oh, he bit. See that? He bit his tail.
Wow! Oh my!
She's trying to mimic them.
Are you pretending to be a seagull, Paulina?
Huh?
I've never heard her do that before. Do it again. Oh. Oh my. You tell them, Paulina. You tell those seagulls. Yeah?
She's mimicking them.
Wow. You are so smart. Wow. Do it again. Oh. Do it again. Okay. Do it again.
It's a fun place to bring the kids.
You are so smart. Trying to imitate the seagulls.
Oh my. Hi, Paulina. Hi, sweetie.
Did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy the seagulls?
Do some people commute every day with the?
Some people do.
That's a long haul, eh?
You thought yours was bad. Imagine having to do it on the ferry. Yeah.
Well, they have a car though. So.
Yeah.
And I guess they can eat their dinner on the ferry.
Yeah, that would be very
It's expensive. If you have money,
Mm-hmm.
who cares? Very pretty though. Every night on the boat. It's a big ferry.
Did you have fun? Did you like the seagulls?
Very noisy seagull, eh?
Yeah.
Likes to talk a lot.
That's a male.
Really? How can you tell?
All gray ones are females.
Huh. He's got some gray on him.
I know, but the white and gray ones are usually the male. Hi. How's mommy's girl? Are you getting tired, my sweet thing? Your tooties are cold. So, be sure to put your pants on, right?
Honey, can you get a picture of me and Paulina?